titled Meet Open Interpreter, an open source project that lets GPT-4 execute Python code locally. It says accessing and utilizing computer capabilities efficiently is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. However, many existing solutions have limitations such as restricted internet access, limited pre-installed packages, and strict runtime constraints. These constraints hinder users from fully harnessing the potential of language models for tasks like code interpretation and execution. To address these limitations, here is a new solution named Open Interpreter. Open Interpreter is a local tool that empowers users with unrestricted internet access, no runtime limits, and the ability to utilize any package or library. Running on the user's local environment, Open Interpreter allows seamless interaction with language models like Python, JavaScript, and Shell, enabling users to perform a wide range of tasks effortlessly. All right, so, wow. It says the capabilities of Open Interpreter are demonstrated through various metrics. 1, it provides full internet access. 2, it imposes no runtime limitations. 3, Open Interpreter offers access to a vast array of pre-installed packages. And 4, it allows for seamless interaction with language models through a user-friendly interface. In conclusion, Open Interpreter presents a game-changing solution to the limitations imposed by existing tools for code interpretation and execution. All right, so now let's move on here to this next article. I love what's happening in technology. I like to learn new things. I do. And I love that humanity is advancing now. For a long time, I felt like technologies were stagnating, and now everything's just moving at light speed, and I'm enjoying every second of it. This article is titled, Future Quantum Computers Will Be No Match for Space Encryption. It uses light to beam data around. We read about something similar to this recently in one of the recent videos. It uses light to beam data around, with the first satellite launching in 2025. Wow. It says quantum computers will break encryption one day, but converting data into light particles and beaming them around using thousands of satellites might be one way around this problem. Oh, wait. My page is not moving, folks. Hold on. Bear with me one moment. It says by converting data into light particles and beaming them around the world using satellites, we could prevent encrypted messages from being intercepted by super powerful quantum computers, scientists claim. Currently, messaging technology relies on mathematical or cryptographic methods of protection, including end-to-end encryption. This technology is used in WhatsApp, as well as by corporations, the government, and the military to protect sensitive data from being intercepted. Encryption works by scrambling data or text into what appears to be nonsense using an algorithm and a key that only the sender and recipient can use to unlock the data. Sort of like a cipher, right? You have to have a key to understand the cipher. It says these algorithms can, in theory, be cracked, but they are designed to be so complex that even the fastest supercomputers would take millions of years to translate the data into something readable. Quantum computers change the equation. Although the field is young, scientists predict that such machines will be powerful enough to easily break encryption algorithms someday. This is because they can process exponentially greater calculations in parallel, whereas classical computers can process calculations only in sequence. Fearing that quantum computers will render encryption obsolete one day, scientists are proposing new technologies to protect sensitive communications. One field, known as quantum cryptography, quote unquote, involves building systems that can protect data from encryption beating quantum computers. Unlike classical cryptography, which relies on algorithms to scramble data and keep it safe, quantum cryptography would be secure thanks to the weird quirks of quantum mechanics. This is according to IBM. And I'm very familiar with IBM because of crypto and, blockchain. They've been working on quantum computers for a few years now, about 3 years. They've been working very hard on their quantum computing, and I think they're pretty advanced. It says here, for example, in a paper published January 21st in the journal Advanced Quantum Technology, scientists describe a mission called, quote, Quick 3, unquote, which uses photons, particles of light, to transmit data through a massive satellite network. Wow. So that's going to get really interesting. We'll try to keep up to date with that. Quantum computers are coming, and I'm sure they're going to be in combination with a lot of different things. I'm pretty sure. And quantum proofing is going to be all the rage as well, of course. So we'll end off with this article here. All right. Because we've been dealing with a lot of robotics, and that's been a very interesting field to keep up to date with. So this article is titled, Accenture Invest in Sanctuary AI to Bring AI-Powered Humanoid Robots to Work Alongside Humans. Are you ready for robots to be at your job? You ready? This is serious business now. This is not a dream. This is not a movie anymore. This is reality now. It says here, Accenture has made a strategic investment through Accenture Ventures and Sanctuary AI, a developer of humanoid general purpose robots that are powered by AI and can perform a wide variety of work tasks quickly, safely, and effectively. It says, quote, AI powered humanoid robots are essential in reinventing work and supporting human workers as labor shortage is becoming an issue in many countries and industries, unquote, said Joe Louis, Accenture's global advanced automation and robotics lead. Quote, Sanctuary AI's advanced AI platform trains robots to react to their environment and perform new tasks with precision in a very short time. It says we see huge potential for their robots in post and parcel, manufacturing, retail, logistics, warehousing operations, where they could complement and collaborate with human workers and automate tasks that traditional robotics can't, unquote. Yes. And we were talking about this the other day. I've seen ports where they're bringing in the containers fully automated already on the West Coast, United States. Warehouses fully automated already, United States. Trucks, like they're moving materials back and forth, fully automated already. Now, while they're starting small, of course, that's going to expand and it's been doing very well. I haven't heard anything negative about it as of yet. So this is going to expand. So now that you have that information, everyone, please, if you haven't subscribed already, we're literally one subscriber away from getting to 400 subs. Can we please get the 400? We've been doing a good job here. So anyway, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Please click that like button, turn on notification bell. And until next time, take care.